if you fully own what's going on at your school, warts and all, then you have the power. You have the power. But if you give it away, you're done. You're done. You forget it. You're done. And so that's what I think about. It's not about blame shifting. I know the power is in ownership. You know, it's in ownership. In my late 20s and 30s, I used to eat ice cream every night. And the problem with me is I don't like ice cream until 11:30 at night. Like 11:30 and on, you know, the ice cream, I don't even see ice cream during the day. From 11:30. Now, my mid-30s, my body said, this is not working. Now, I could have blamed Kroger for being open 24 damn hours a day, provided me the all-night McDonald's, providing me with access to the ice cream, or I could seize the power and say, you know what, you're making choices. And so that's what I want for you from this. That's what I want from you.